I just won't say like every day. Even though you've got someone, it's true. It's all I do. 'Cause I'm a fool. It's true. I got loving on my mind, and I'd like to spend the time. Can we make one moment be forever? I don't wanna stop. No, I don't wanna stop.
It's just ace seeing the kids not on their screens come out today. It's a great turnout. Everyone's having fun. So much stuff to do with DJing, breakdancing, skateboarding, everything. It's just really good to see. And our kids are loving it. So thank you. Thanks for organising.
I really think everyone can be creative in their own ways, and I don't think that you have to do it all just by learning it out of a book or whatever, and things like this is just a real experience and kids can just join in. And I've seen kids who are tiny just jump on a skateboard or just doing their own thing, and it's just really nice to see. Yeah.
When you ask me if it's wrong or right, I just won't say, let's run away.
What an amazing event, getting everyone outside, the sun is shining, we've been planting plants, we've been making clocks, look at that! Yeah, just a lovely, lovely community vibe today.
I'm seeing somebody breakdancing, graffiti, DJing and MCing. For me, it looks amazing. It looks amazing, and that's great. That's great. I came to play football with some friends, and all of a sudden, I got drawn here, and that looks amazing. Beautiful.
When you ask me if it's wrong or right, I just won't say, let's run away. Won't you come and be with me tonight?
I'm Brenda Barlow. I'm a local resident and I'm also chair of Friends of Hunslet Moor. This event is absolutely fabulous. The children here are loving it. There's arts and crafts, there's LS10, there's fantastic music, gardening. What more could we want at Hunslet Moor?